Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add email on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, simply go ahead first, access your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. After you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So for that purpose, all you have to do is tap on this three dot icon on top right, tap on settings option, and now tap on this option of account. Now here in this section, you're going to find this option of email address just right below the passkeys. Go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this add email. Now go ahead, enter the email that you would prefer to add in to your WhatsApp. Once you have tapped to add in, tap on next, and then you will receive a verification code to verify whether it is you to make the changes, access your Gmail account inbox, and simply copy the particular code, come over here, paste it, verify yourself, and there you go. You will be able to add email to your WhatsApp, and that is how it's gonna be done. So that is how simple it is. Make sure to follow all of the steps properly and you will be done. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.